Hi, this is Milan of So Natural Wellness, culinary nutrition and wellness coach. And thank you so much for tuning in today to today's broadcast. So in this video, we're going to talk about the weight loss myth to stop believing. But first, I want to give attention to what today is. So today in the United States, today is National Chocolate Day. And I'm so excited because today is a day where you can give yourself permission to enjoy your decadent dessert. So since today is National Chocolate Day, that is what we're going to be talking about. The weight loss myth to stop believing. And I'm not sure, but if you're like me, I grew up believing that chocolate was bad for you. And if you ate chocolate, it would mess up your skin. If you overdo it, you'll start to gorge on it, you'll become fat. And I know it's politically incorrect to say the F word, but when your body is holding on to toxins and waste, then it creates fat. Everyone has fat in their body. It doesn't matter. You can be 130 pounds and you still have fat in your body, on your body somewhere. So that's what I was taught to believe, and perhaps like you as well, that chocolate makes you fat, or that you become so addicted you become a chocoholic. And actually there are even in Chicago, I believe it's during the fall season, we have a marathon that is the chocolate run. So it's the chocolate marathon. So Chicagoans are very much into showing how they feel about certain things, and chocolate is definitely one of them. And the reason why is because chocolate has so many beautiful and wonderful benefits. And if you're over 50, this is the benefit that you are going to love hearing about. Chocolate, it improves your brain function. Now, isn't that wonderful to know that chocolate improves your brain function? Because when you reach 50 and over, you may have noticed that your thought process is not as fast as when you were 20 and 30. And if you work in the corporate world, or you're a professional and you're around a lot of millennials, you notice there is a difference in how either you pick up certain things, how you remember certain things. You just don't function at the same rate that you did before. So chocolate, it boosts and improves brain function, which helps to reduce the signs of aging by also protecting the skin from the sun. And I'm going to explain that to you, because since chocolate improves brain function, what that means is that it improves the blood flow to the brain. And there was a study done by the Harvard Medical School, and in this study, they discovered that if you just drink 2 cups of hot chocolate, 2 cups of hot chocolate a day, I know that's a lot, then it will increase your blood flow for 2 hours. And I'm going to talk about the whole hot chocolate thing, because just because you're drinking hot chocolate does not necessarily mean that it's really good for you. So the other myth that we're going to the weight loss myth we're just going to ban right now, which is all about chocolate. So that's the myth that chocolate is bad for you, which is not. And what you'll discovering in this video, that is not bad for you. So chocolate, it has flavonoids. Now what flavonoids really are antioxidants that help your skin to fight free radicals. Now free radicals in the body, what I compare it to is like meat. Red meat. You know how when you leave red meat out, it starts to change to like a brown, or starts to discolor or darken? Well, the reason that happens is because once you open up the package of red meat, air hits it and it starts to oxidize. So it starts to look as if is, I guess you can say, aging. So that's the same thing that really happens to the skin, is that our skin, being that it's the largest organ, your skin is exposed to so many different things, from toxins to the sun's rays. So what happens with the skin is that it starts to get these free radicals. because it's exposed to air. So you may have like skin spots, which are actually like sunspots as you age. But it also helps in that it improves hydration. So chocolate improves hydration, and it also improves thickness, which is wonderful, right? So instead of looking 60, you can look 30. And instead of looking 80, you can look 40. I know that's really a far reach. But maybe instead of looking 80, you can look 70. Or instead of looking 70, you can look 60. So chocolate really has so many wonderful and amazing benefits that can help your body and to help you to live a healthy lifestyle. Now, here's the problem with that. I love chocolate. And I have my little martini glass right here of chocolate with blackberries in it. In order to really reap the benefits of what chocolate does to the body, you would have to consume 1 to 2 ounces of dark chocolate daily. It can't be just any chocolate. It has to be pure 70 to 80% cacao chocolate, dark chocolate. So this dark chocolate is how you get the benefits of eating chocolate. So if you're eating chocolate with milk, that's with milk in it, and other ingredients that maybe you can't even pronounce or don't even know exactly what it is, then you're not getting the benefits of it. Because once you put milk in chocolate, the consistency of it changes, the texture changes, and the benefits of it changes. Now you are adding more fat because dairy is fat. So you don't want to add fat into your body. You want to add things that can benefit your body. And chocolate, just in small amounts, can go a long way versus eating chocolate in large amounts that are not good for you. So I hope that you really got something out of this video. And this video is in honor of today, National Chocolate Day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. So until our next time together, I want you to always stay beautiful and healthy. And if you need assistance getting through how to live a healthy lifestyle, I will make sure to include my link, and we can have a chat to see where you're at right now to where you want to be in terms of living a healthy and healthy lifestyle as you age passing 50 and beyond. So enjoy today, and happy National Chocolate Day. Bye.